So we are back with a brand new product. This is the 1MORE SonoFlow over-ear headphones HQ51 model. These are some bad boy headphones. They have high-res audio gold certification on them, and they also have 40mm DLC or diamond-like drivers, which are really powerful. They give like a 40 kilohertz rating resistance, which is really amazing. Let's open these up and talk a little bit more about these as we go. Another really cool feature about these is that they have 100 hours of playtime on them, which is really impressive. And if you want to use it with your noise cancellation, you can, and that will just reduce it down to 65 hours. But you can get a really incredibly fast 5 minutes of charge time to net you another 10 hours of listening time. That's pretty impressive. So we got a manual here, a really nice, smooth, soft case. And then there's your headphones, really well packaged. These are high protein leather soft cuffs that go over the ears. Talk about that in a second. And then we have accessories here. And now you can connect these wirelessly with Bluetooth, which uses LDAC to actually travel 3 times as much data over Bluetooth, giving you that more data being transferred at a time, giving that higher quality audio, which is really important. Or you can directly connect these with this cable right here, this aux cable, and then you have a charge cable for recharging it for your needs. So let's actually try. Oh, I love that soft headband there. So R and L. Plan accordingly. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's incredibly soft, incredibly comfortable, not only on the ears and around the ears, but this piece here is super flexing back and forth and very soft, really sweet. On the actual device here, you have your headphone jack out, you have your charger cable here, you have your control buttons for plus and minus for sound, your NIC, ANC noise cancellation button right there to activate that, and then you have your power button here. I believe also the power button doubles as the pairing button, and then you have multiple mics set up on this to allow it to really get crystal clear noise cancellation. All these speakers and microphones in here are designed with their QuietMax advanced system to reduce additional noises by 42 decibel points. That way you get really amazing noise cancellation. Now I can show you these headphones constantly and you can look at them, and of course they're beautiful, but you're gonna wanna hear what they sound like. So let's go take these and actually listen to them, and then I'll let you know what we think. We'll be right back. These sound amazing. The quality on them is great. The feel of them is great. And I love this carrying case on the go. It gives you really good quality. And that's what you want out of a really high-end set of headphones. Hopefully you guys like this. Hope you guys pick this up for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.